wigs, welcome and welcome back. If you're new, I am Whisker, and if not, hey. So this video will be about getting ready with me, but mostly putting on just ponytail. I thought this video would be useful for people that want to know how I put it on. Definitely like a daily everyday wig for me because it's just so easy to put on and take off. But I made this video to show you guys how I put it on and how I take it off at the end, so keep watching. And it's pretty simple, guys. So one thing I want to mention is that when I do take off my wig, I do leave it like this with the scrunchie still attached to it and all, because we don't have time to make another ponytail in the morning. I know I don't. So I just usually leave it like this state. I figure out where is the front and the back. I indicate where. And usually how I indicate which is the front and the back is when the sides are like sticking out and when the baby hair is a little shorter, because I tend to cut my baby hair just a tad bit short in the front. So it could look like my real baby hair. So that's how I indicate which is the front, where the front is at. And what I use to put this on is just pins. This is the pins that I use and I recommend. It's just, it fell. Sorry, guys. This pin, so easy to put on, take off. And I'm going to use some boho. It looks terrible. Sorry, guys. So I'm gonna use a little bit of boho, and that's about it. So I'm about to put it on now. Okay, just indicating where the front and the back is. All right. And as you guys notice, like my hair is in a low ponytail. Nothing much, nothing major. My hair is in twists. So if you guys see me looking straight, it's because I'm looking at the mirror. So yes. And then what I do is just put the ponytail wig right behind my hairline. This is my hairline right here. Just right behind it. I never put it on it because we do want to grow healthy edges, okay? We do not want no bow-headed edges, all right? And then the back, I tuck in the back. Okay, and now I am going to fluff. So fluff, 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 fluff away. So I'm just fluffing. Okay, and now I'm about to use my boho. So I'm just dapping the glue little by little. And if you guys want me to be more details with the edges, there is a video how I install this ponytail crochet wig. I will post the link down below. It's a very detailed video of me putting on this ponytail wig. Alright. And then I just fluffed and put it right on top of the glue. Fluff, put it right on top of the glue. And then put it right on top of the glue. Fluff. Now I am using a pen. I'm just pulling a little bit so the ponytail could be at least a little, just a little tighter. Not that tight. And then for the back, hold on, I'm gonna go get more pins. Okay, so now for the back, I cannot see, but I'm definitely going by feel, so. That's another thing. Make sure all your baby hair is out from your wig cap, because you need all the baby hair. I'm just really going by feels. Put on my earrings. Okay. We gotta zoom in on them edges.
Kane alleged in court documents that Jerry